Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Sanchita, and today I'm going to be talking about some lip finds that I totally got influenced to buy. Some of these lip products start from 69 rupees and the maximum range that it goes up to is 1200 rupees. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first product that I'm going to be talking about is from Gigi Bear or Gege Bear, or I've heard it's also called Gaga Bear. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but this is the Gigi Bear Velvet Mist Lip and Cheek Multi-Purpose Cream in the shade 04. This goes on smoothly on the lips, and I've been seeing this K-Beauty lip mousse going about all over on my feed, and this has an applicator exactly similar to that. It's kind of a dome-shaped brush that applies smoothly on the lips, and the color that it gives is a very natural pink on my lips, and this is going to suit light to maximum medium skin tones. I bought this for just 300 rupees from Amazon. This just blurs out all my lip lines. It is obviously not very transfer proof, but the price that I got it for, it's totally worth it in my opinion. It comes off quite easily and doesn't leave any stain of such, but it has a powder matte kind of a finish and it looks pretty smooth after application. Next is the MAC Maximal Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Warm Teddy. I just had to buy this. This is the costliest lipstick in the bunch that I'm going to show today, and I got this for rupees 950 I think on Zepto, and that's the lowest that this lipstick could go for. This has kind of a peachy nude color which suits my skin tone quite nicely. It has this sort of creamy matte finish. It is not transfer proof, however it stays for a really long time on my lips, and it fades gradually throughout the day and doesn't feel patchy at all. Whenever it does fade, it still leaves quite a bit of color back on my lips, and I have worn this throughout the day and it lasted me easily for 5 to 6 hours. The color is a perfect match for my skin tone. If you're somewhere around my skin tone, you can blind buy this lipstick. If you're planning to buy any MAC lipstick as a first timer, this has to be the one. I wouldn't recommend this for deeper skin tones because it may wash you out, but with a lip liner, it may look great. Next, I have another lip product from Gigi Bear. I have a lot of lip products today from Gigi Bear. This is also around 300 rupees on Amazon. It kind of reminded me of the Romand Velvet tint or the Romand Water Lasting tint, something. I'll link it down, but it kind of reminded me of that, and it has a similar shade to that one. It has this pink nude color that is again going to suit light to medium skin tones. It is glossy and it is not very heavily pigmented. It looks very beautiful on my skin tone. I have to reapply it, but I don't mind the reapplication because the formula is so lightweight. Also, I'm getting this at almost half the price that I pay for Romand. I paid around 900 for Romand, and this is for 300, so that's 1/3 of the cost. So these two are exactly similar in my opinion. This is the Gigi Lip Glaze, and I'll show you the Romand one. There's not much difference between the two. The only difference that I noticed is that the Romand one may be a bit more on the brown side and the Gigi Bear is a bit more pink, but the formula is exactly the same for both of these, and I love both of these. So yeah, if you're looking for a dupe for the Romand, you can absolutely try out the Gigi Bear Lip Glaze. The formula feels more watery than that of a gloss. It has a comfortable finish. It is not sticky at all. So this is a good find in my opinion. Now these two from NYX I've been seeing all over my feed, and I had to try them. So I got two from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I got them at for buy one get one. So I got two of these for $9.99, which in my opinion is a good deal. And the glosses in themselves, I got two shades. One is the 02 Hydra Honey and the other shade is 08 Dripping in Rose. The Hydra Honey is a very cool toned brown on my lips, which I'm wearing right now, but you'll also see in the video that it feels a bit cool tone, but it also suits my skin tone very much. It does tingle a bit, not for long, for around 5 to 10 minutes it tingles and then it settles down. I do not feel or see any plumping effect on my lips, but as a gloss it is very hydrating and very glossy. It doesn't feel sticky at all and it is very comfortable. Both of these shades suit my skin very well. If you are deeper than my skin tone, then I would not recommend the Hydra Honey shade because it may wash you out, but the Dripping in Rose, this shade is going to suit even deeper skin tones. This is kind of a deeper kind of mauvey rose color, and the Hydra Honey, like I said, is a cool toned brown. Once I remove the gloss, it does leave kind of a light stain, not too much, but it leaves kind of a natural pink flush to my lips and I really like it. Next I have the cheapest lip product in my entire haul, which is this Mars Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade Nude Spell. I wanted a lip liner which is kind of this peachy color, and it is kind of this peachy color which suits my skin tone very nicely. This goes really well with all of my lipsticks. I have put this on as a lipstick by itself too, and it looks really beautiful. Yeah, I think it looks pretty similar to the MAC Warm Teddy, and these two would pair really well. So you can put this as a lip liner, the Mars Edge of Desire one, and then put the MAC lipstick. I think these two are going to complement each other really nicely, but I feel these two shade wise also are pretty similar. It's not an exact match for sure. The Mars Edge of Desire is more on the peachy side, whereas the MAC lipstick is more of mauvey brown with a peachy undertone. But yes, I do think these two will pair really well, and I absolutely love the formula of this lip liner. It glides on smoothly on my lips. I mean, I've used Mars lip liners before, but I really like the shade for my skin tone. So yes, this again is a great deal for 69 rupees. What more could I ask for? Next I have another lip product from Mars, which is the Mars Velvet Lip Tint in the shade 3 Words. It goes on very smoothly on my lips and it kind of has this rust with a pink undertone kind of color, which suits my medium skin tone very nicely. If you are any deeper than my skin tone too, it's going to suit you really well. And it kind of blurs my lip lines to a certain extent. I mean, I've tried other lip tints and they kind of settle into my lip lines, but this one doesn't settle into my lip lines. It feels very velvety, and also I can apply this really nicely as a cheek tint, and it shows up really nicely on my cheeks too. It lasted almost the entire day for me the time I wore it. And also I mean, it's very subtle. If you are looking for a tint that you can wear every day for your office, for college, or just as a casual wear, this is perfect in my opinion. It kind of feels very velvety on the lips. The last product for the day is again from this brand Gigi Bear. So I've got to learn how to pronounce this brand because, like you can tell, I'm absolutely in love with this brand. I already broke it, so I'm just going to open it like this. And this has the same texture like that of the milk jelly blushes. It goes on really nicely. You have to blend it out very fast, and it kind of has this reddish pink tint. It is very pigmented and you have to blend it out fast, otherwise it sets pretty quickly. This also provides a very nice tint to my lips and cheeks, and sometimes I use it for my eyes as well. This has a very nice red pink color, but the more I apply it, it shows up more red than pink, and this is really beautiful. This again is under 300 rupees. I'm just loving these products for the price that they are offering these products at. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more from this brand. If you have any recommendations, please let me know. But yes, as for this product, this is very beautiful in my opinion. So yeah, that is all the lip products that I have to share with you guys. If I had to choose top 3 from my lip haul, that would definitely be the NYX Lip Ivy in the shade Hydra Honey, the MAC Maximal Mini Matte Lipstick in the shade Warm Teddy, and the GG Bear Velvet Mist Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade 04. These are my top 3 from today's haul, but among these I really like the NYX one as a gloss, and as a matte lipstick, nothing beats the MAC one. That is all I have for today's haul. Let me know if you have any more recommendations for me, and if you have tried any of the lip products that I mentioned in today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.